Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Microsoft Edge and clicking the profile icon in the top right corner. Once done, choose Settings and then Profiles so you can see every signed-in account. This is where removal happens. Make sure to back up any bookmarks or passwords tied to the profile, because removing an account can delete local data. If the profile syncs, sign out first to prevent cloud loss. Now select the profile you want to remove to prepare for deletion. Next, select the specific profile card and click the three-dot menu to reveal management actions. You'll see Remove or Delete Profile. Pick that option and pay attention to the confirmation prompt. It usually states that local data will be deleted. If the profile is signed into a Microsoft account, sign out first to stop synchronization and protect cloud data. Confirm removal when you're ready, and Edge will delete the profile and its associated local browsing data immediately. After removal, restart Edge to let changes fully apply and verify the profile card no longer appears. This finalizes cleanup. Then go to Settings Privacy, search for clear browsing data, and remove cached files if any remnants remain. If Edge still shows the account or sync settings persist, sign into a different admin profile and repeat the removal process or disable sync from account. Microsoft.com. If problems continue, reboot your system and try again to ensure no background process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.